How to schedule Walmart grocery pickup. Now, scheduling a Walmart grocery pickup can be done through the Walmart website or the app. If you're using the app version, you would just want to open your Walmart app, log into your account. Once logged into your account, you then need to go to the home page, select how do you want your item section. So you could go to the shop section. At the top right, you have these pickup or delivery, right? You click that out, and here you should be able to find these options. How do you want your items? And just want to choose pickup. Then verify the local store listed in your preferred location for pickup, and you also want to reserve a time slot. You could just select slot, like choose between 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., something like that. If you have a tip to fill out, you could also do that. And next, you could simply go ahead and start adding items to your cart and complete your checkout. And that is how you're going to schedule Walmart grocery pickup. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.